everybody. So I'm just going to do a pour with the leftover paint that I've used tonight. On the table is a mixture of my house paint with my colors that I used, and then also some satin enamel and floetrol mixed 50-50 with water. So I just actually did a dip with the canvas to get this, and then I'm going to do a puddle pour and balloon dip it on top. So we'll see if this actually works. I have not done this before, and I'm not sure because my paints were so thin if this will work. But I want to see what effect I'll get. Whew, gosh, that paint's slipping around in there. I want to see what effect I'll get with the satin enamel. So this is the satin enamel and the flow acrylic. I have such a hard time saying that while I'm like on camera, you guys. So this is just a little balloon that I've blown up, and I'm just gonna dip it down and then pull it out. Might do it one more time. Okay, now I'm gonna wipe it off. I might do a couple more puddles on here. I don't like that I went back into that, but my gold is definitely sticking out more, which is nice. It's very thick though. Oops, that's a big one. I have a big balloon for that one. I really like the purple next to the... Ooh, these are big puddles. I don't like it when they're big puddles. Oops. Might have to go a couple times with that one. You get a whoops every now and again, guys. Okay. So I have my big balloon blown up. I'm going to balloon smash that one. Ooh, I like that one. That one's really pretty. I'm gonna wipe that off. That was just too much paint on here, you guys, too much paint. But now I'm gonna go maybe a little bit of flow acrylic, right? The satin enamel. Maybe do two smaller ones right there and right there. I said smaller, but I did it with the bigger one. Too much paint on there, you guys. But I really like this, so what I have over here is another canvas that I think I'm gonna stamp every time that I pick this up. So this is another method that you guys can do. So you can do that, and then you can keep going with that. So I might keep that over there and balloon stamp that off camera, and I'll show that to you. So yeah, this may not be a video for people that want just a quick, fun paint, you know? Maybe not for you. Oh, I'm loving the one that's off screen, you guys. I'll show it to you before I'm done. But instead of wiping your balloon off, if you have the ability, just stamp it onto another one and you can create another piece of artwork. So I'm not going to put any purple in this one. I'm just going to I like that that ran off right there. Okay. So not really getting a cloudy effect on this one. I know another artist had tried this too and was not getting that effect. But again, I think it's just too much paint. Because I like the stamp effect that's going on over here. Ooh, that's a pretty one. What do I want in the center? I think I want a purple right there. And I want a blue. Whoops, that was too much blue. And I want a white, a big white. I'm gonna stamp it down. Ooh, I like that one. I am gonna finally wipe my balloon off here. And maybe come in with the small one. Oh man, I love that flower that ended up right there. I'm liking this the more and more that I stamp it. I guess I'll do a purple one and the gold over here. Maybe a little bit of green. I don't have much green. Man, that is the prettiest one yet. Oh no, I did a bunch. Oh yeah. I think I might stop there, guys. So here is the canvas that I was doing off screen. There you can see all the little details and all the flowers. So that was my little flower balloon smash with the paint going onto a dry canvas. And then there was the one of the puddled paint onto the canvas. So you can see the different effect that you get from both of them. But I may blow this out just a little bit. I'm gonna get it around me. This one was a long one. I may or may not show this one. Kind of like it though. So I'll take you down and show you. So I got a little bit of a cloudy effect right there in the center. Man, all of these are really cool though. So that's what she looks like. Super cool. I'm actually really pleased with that. And then that is what the other one looks like. And I'm actually really pleased with that as well. So there's a way to get 2 techniques out of one. Ooh, is there a face in there? Is that a face? You guys tell me. What do you see in these? Tell me which technique you like better. You could say you don't like either of them. That's okay. It's not going to hurt my feelings. But this one or this one? I don't know. All right, you guys. Thank you guys for sticking with me and watching. All right. I'll see you soon. Have a good night. Happy painting. Bye.